they're spider fighting. Pero they only have one Usa spider lang. No other spiders? Just one spider? Can you play with it? Put it on your hand? Put it on your arm? Stick it. Oh, you guys are so brave. I'm not brave. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Say hi to YouTube. Hello YouTube. Yeah. Bye spider. Angel. Angel. Alright. So my dog's a killer. Not proud of this one. So Angel's good at getting rid of varmints, like the mice. We had some mice in the backyard, mice, rats. She got rid of those. But this poor little chick got into the yard, and it was too big to get back through the gate. So before I could stop her, Angel killed a little chick. So now I get to dispose of the body, get rid of the evidence, because our dog's a murderer. Alright, so we're down here in the middle of Dumaguete. It's probably going to be a little loud. And we're at the four-corner intersection on Catalina Street where Foodnet is. And across the street is Mafiosa, which is a Italian restaurant. And above that is the place where you go to get all your vape needs. They have a huge vape shop for people that vape right up there. But somebody turned me on to this little place here the other day. So I'm here trying it out. It's Anadolu, and it's a Turkish little restaurant, little corner restaurant. And they got wraps. I just had some handmade yogurt, homemade yogurt. They got, and basically what I'm getting right now is a gyro. They also make their own cheesecake. I haven't tried that yet. And they have all kinds of kebab stuff. So I'm gonna get ready to eat and check it out. This is right on Santa Catalina Street and Noble Franca Street, right at the intersection. And here's my little wrappy. It's looking quite nice. Getting ready to kill it. And of course they got the sauce and all that right here. Validation Day. Yeah, there's all some of the kids that had food. Dude, this poor dog. This guy, this is horrible. This is really tough to see when you're in the Philippines. He's emaciated. He's not gonna live much longer. Ugh. Come on, man, it's just a National Geographic moment for me. Wow. Alright, so after 2 years in the Philippines, I'm finally having some Tanduay. I'm not a big liquor fan, so this is going to be like a taste test. And I got the Coke here, the Coke Zacto to chase it with, so here we go. Pretty good. Tastes like the Philippines. And they call it rhum, R-H-U-M, not R-U-M, because I think there's some copyright issue. Head over My Philippine Dreams, Tanduay, after 2 years in the Philippines.
You're not my dog. You're not my dog. You are Mama McCracken. You are Mama McCracken. How can you be out here in this heat? It's so hot. Look at your nose. It's so wet. Why is your nose so wet? Okay, come on. You gotta go. I got work to do. Bye-bye, Mama McCracken. And this and that. See you next time on My Philippine Dreams.